told off by the landowners. This is Xmaxx territory. But it climbs well, the Max.
Oh, wheels.
Been told off by the landowners. Oh, he's got it inside of me. Oh no! Go on. Yes, on its wheel. Hi guys, and we've managed to get another bash at our lovely building site location. There's a little bit more work gone on since we were last up here, but we could still get access to it. But we brought along the Xmaxx, which I think is the right truck. But just for a bit of fun, we brought his baby brother, the Maxx. It's the V2 version. Is it going to be a bit small for around here? Well, watch on and find out. Right, you ready?
Yeah. 3 laps?
Yep. Right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. God, the Maxx is so tiny
I didn't want to go out there. It's a bit rough for the little fella.
Compared to the behemoth.
Still game though.
This is Xmaxx territory. But it climbs well, the Maxx.
That's pause.
What's happened to it? It's fallen over already.
I was just rolling down the hill.
I'll come back here. Look at the size difference. Ready?
Yeah.
Go! This should make it easy going. Here we go. There's a nice little ramp there. Not quite as much dust as last time. We had a little bit of rain, but not a lot.
Oh, done it again. Keep out of the horrible bit.
Oh, it just crawls up effortlessly. Do a welly up here, a bit of welly. There we go. No, oh, he's got it inside of me. Oh no! Go on.
Oh, he's on his wheels,
on his wheels. God, the poor little Max. We haven't got a cone yet, have we? Oh, I have.
Stay out the rubbish. Here we go.
Right, come on then, let's.
That's it, there he is.
Let's give it some welly now, catch him up. We've got a bit squirrely going up there. Pushing him down there. Oh, he went the wrong side of the cone. I saw that.
A hollow victory. Oh, it was all looking good. I just couldn't even tell till I got there.
Right, you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I backed off.
Backed off there so I didn't get hit by the big one.
We just drove over his front wheel.
I actually can't. Oh, there I am. I couldn't see myself on the slope. Hill climbing.
He's stuck in the hill.
Tricky.
Here he comes. He's right behind me. Ready up there. Whoa! Nice little ramp there. Little flick round there. Flat down here. Flat up there. Oh! Nice little jump there. You nailed it down there. Yeah.
Everything tries as big to a little check. Whoa, that was some air.
Nice air. Getting the hang of it. Oh,
wheels.
Here we go. Last lap.
Oh, where am I going?
Got to be inside. Wheelies in my dust.
Oh no.
I'm afraid you're always going to lose that one, boy.
Yeah.
Look at the dust linger. Right, ready?
Yep.
Go! Zoomed up there. Here we go. Ready again, ready?
Oh, he can go over there if he wants, but I'm
losing loads of time doing that. But it's good fun.
Nice and neat.
Is this the last lap or we've done the last lap? I don't know. Here we go. Another lap. Let's see if we can catch him up. Oh, we've made some time up there. It's kicking dust up.
There's a big green thing
Right,
coming.
we'll take it easier this time. Oh, he's taking the cones with him.
Off. Oh.
Oh, he's got it. Oh! Oh, I smelt victory there right at the end.
Oh, is that 3? Okay, good.
Yeah, I think so. Right, you ready?
Yep.
Other way around. Look at the difference in size. 3, 2, 1, go!
Stay on the ground.
Oh, look at him driving into the side of me, but it didn't budge.
No.
This is quite daunting watching them coming towards me like this. Damn cone. Oh,
On the wheels.
tumbles!
Oh.
At least he's given the old body shell thing a good test.
Oh, this is steep.
Where are we going now? Down here, isn't it? Up here, ready? Oh, we got a bit sideways there. I wonder if I can double this. Oh yeah, that was quite nice from both of us. Look at that, I'm nearly over into the bloody greenery if I go any wider than that.
Oh.
Yeah, I have got the advantage with a big behemoth. Oh, he turned inside me. Oh!
Oh! I was trying to be
nearly
neat.
felt a little guilty about that. Nearly. That was quite good. Like that.
It's worth a try.
Hang on. Ugh. Right, ready?
Yeah.
Go! I've got to be careful, don't fly like. Ooh. The steering wheel's some funny things there, it felt like. Perhaps it didn't.
Oh,
he
he got
found
taken
some
out
big
by a
bumps.
boulder. Oh, was that the last lap as well?
Yeah, do one more, ready?
Okay.
Go! Go, so he's gone up the inside there. He's done it again!
Oh, I don't think I can do what I was doing last time with the Xmaxx. It just can't take that kind of jump.
Need more speed!
I was flooring it.
I'm not...
He's just little.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
Go! Oh, I think I went to come over the top of you. Well, that was almost a dead heat, I think.
Another lap.
Go on, another lap
Yeah.
then. Oh,
Oh, on the wheels.
we're okay, we're good.
Oh.
Oh no, understeer, come on. Come on, truck.
That was good.
Ah.
Yeah, hold on.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, he's turned the inside of me again.
He's agile.
Oh,
he don't
I
like
think
the
I've got one wheel there. Oh, I've got the speed and the size to be able to do that. Double that bit.
Ah! Hit all the big lumps there.
He's going to go up the inside again. Oh, it's getting a bit dusty again.
I'm gone on the smooth bit.
I'm going to go to the double again.
But
Double.
he's back on the big
Oh,
bits.
no,
God.
not enough
Can't
momentum.
get up there very far.
Damn cone. Oh! On
the wheels!
Turn on the hill now.
It's quite a steep slope, that. Steeper than it looks on the camera.
There we go. Yeah, I reckon I can need to jump over you.
Oh, that was nice.
That was nice.
That wasn't so nice.
Oh. Yeah, that
Double
was my
rollover.
fault.
Body protectors still intact.
On the roof. Right, ready?
Yeah.
Go! Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck.
he's barely
Yes,
get
we
up.
have the lead. Oh, what was that?
Oh, just taking the inside line. I wanted the apex.
Little fly just got into the side of my truck.
I don't think you got much to worry about.
Oh, you see, he's got a little tight line down there, hasn't he?
Oh, lost in the dust.
Can you see your truck?
Not really.
Here we go.
Just enough to overtake you. Oh, yeah! I got up it one go.
No!
Oh. I couldn't stop. That was a perfect upwards ramp that time.
Right, go then, go! Did I tag you?
No. that was close. I'm out of there. See
Totally
ya.
different lines through there.
Oh!
Oh, we're starting to get some momentum over that now.
Oh, hit that cone halfway down.
Dear oh dear, I think we could end
Might
up
won this one.
damaging
Unless
things
you
here.
get stuck.
Oh, I'm rock crawling.
Oh, the Max wins.
I don't know if that's the last lap or not. I think it was. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Not a lot in it in top speed. Oh, we've got a bit of a gap now, if I'm honest. Oh, we've got a bit of air control there. Not much air control there.
Oh,
I couldn't see my truck.
lost in the dust. There I am.
Where are you gone? Oh, there he is.
Oh.
The big boy battled him out of the way. Oh, I'm stuck.
Oh. Am I on the wheels?
Yep, go, go, go.
I can't see it. Oh.
Tell you what, Mr. Talbot would be doing some horrendous jumps around here. Oh, we'll give it a bit more.
Oh. Try not to roll it.
Oh. He left the gap. Yeah, it is the truck of choice fanny. But a Maxx, if you've got a Maxx, it's still not a bad choice. Soft little cookies.
Oh.
But it keeps sort of doing that.
It's faster, but it isn't as stable. Obviously, it just falls over a bit easy.
Right, ready?
Yep.
Go! Damn it!
That's your job. I did a lovely jump over this bit.
Yeah, there's quite a...
At least you won't be short on crash footage.
I don't think so. Go!
I just have an easy amble down the straight.
Oh, I need some momentum there. Ready? Here we go. Problem is, you get that momentum up. Ready? Here we go.
Oh yes!
Oh, lovely!
That was beautiful. Is there one more lap? I don't know. I'll do one more.
Yeah, I think, I don't know, might be a... Here we go.
Oh.
Just muscle my way past.
Oh!
I think I may have driven over the top of you there. I may have cut the corner.
Oh yes, I took him out.
Well guys, this may be the last time we're up here. We've been told off by the landowners. Can't come up here anymore. What a shame that is. And of course we don't want to get anyone upset or get into any trouble. But the Maxx performs so much better than what we thought it was going to do. It was, you know, it's so much smaller. Look at the difference in the size between the Maxx and the X-Maxx. It was a massive difference, but it worked well. So if you have got a Maxx, I mean this is the V2 version, but if you have got a Maxx and you've got a location like this, don't be frightened to take it there. It's great fun. But click on that subscribe button. We've got more videos coming up soon. Thanks for watching.